Hey you kids. So, 2 VM installation videos in the same month. Wow, and yes, we are still in Mactober. And today we are going to be installing Mac OS 7.6. Specifically Mac OS 7.6.1. So I have SheepShaver all loaded up here. So I have the CD all loaded up here, the Mac OS, my hard drive, the hard drive I'm going to use, it's right here. And we're going to start SheepShaver. This disc is unreal above my Macintosh. Okay, what really frustrates me about the screen is for some reason, for some god-for-fucking reason, it's set to cancel by default. So if you press enter, it's going to cancel, and it never asks you again. You can't, like, initialize it again, so you're going to have to restart, which is so stupid. I hate that. Looks like we're going to have to call it, I don't know, Mac. Now we're going to install Mac OS. There we go, Mac OS. I was trying to close this. Okay, here it is. Read important information. Okay. Okay, let's see. Update your hard disk driver. Okay, now this is interesting. You may skip this step if any of the following is true. You don't have an Apple computer. And you may be thinking, what? But doesn't Mac OS only run on Macs? Yes, but there was a period in time where you could purchase some Mac clones that weren't made by Apple, and they could be able to run like Mac OS, right? This was the era of the clones, and then as soon as Mac OS 8 released, and Steve Jobs came back to the company, he killed them off. So yeah, we're gonna skip that. Choose a disk for installation, Mac, select, and install the software. Let's go. Now, what do we need here? I don't think we need MacLink Plus. I don't think we need Quick Draw. I think we're good there. Start. Agree. Preparing to install. Got a little hand counting up and down from 5. Okay, so we are now installing Mac OS 7.6. Okay, all selected software has been installed successfully. Okay, quit. And now we can just shut down. So we need the SheepShaver back. Now we can remove this and start. Here we are. Welcome to Mac OS. Starting up. Okay, so here we are. This is Mac OS 7.6. More specifically, 7.6.1. Copyright Apple Computer Inc., 1983 to 1996. So, I have one last very important announcement to make. This video and the next video are going to be the 2 last videos edited on iMovie. Yes, I have been using iMovie on my Mac for over 2 years to edit my videos. And I used iMovie on iOS, or more specifically iPad OS, to edit my videos for 6 months. So that's more than 2.5 years of editing with iMovie. But After so long with iMovie, it's finally time to switch away. To which video editor? Well, you're gonna have to find out in either the next video, along with the second edition video that's gonna go alongside the next video. That also shows you what the new video editor will be able to do. Anyways, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!